Good morning. I am Calvin Anand from Class 11 Science. Today, I stand before you to speak about a topic that is both significant and close to our hearts. Patriotism in modern India. Patriotism has always been the heartbeat of our nation. From the sacrifices of our freedom fighters to the resilience shown in the face of challenges, patriotism has united us. In today's world, patriotism has adapted and evolved to meet new realities. In modern India, patriotism goes beyond traditional symbols like flag and the national anthem. It means making tangible contributions to our country's progress and being responsible citizens. It's about the action we take every day to build a better India. This modern patriotism can be seen in the works of our scientists achieving global recognition in space and technology, in entrepreneurial spirit of our youth driving innovation, and in the dedication of our healthcare workers, especially during the pandemic. Modern patriotism also involves standing against social injustices and striving for an inclusive society. It means promoting equality and ensuring that every citizen, regardless of their background, has the opportunity to thrive. Environmental responsibility, working towards sustainability are also crucial aspects of this patriotism. A key aspect of this patriotism today is fostering unity and respect among our diverse cultures and communities. India's strength lies in its diversity. Embracing this with an open heart is a true act of patriotism. Celebrating our differences while working together for the common good is essential. In conclusion, patriotism in modern India blends respect for our heritage with forward-thinking approach to our future. It's about action, responsibility, and unity. Let us be proud of our future and work diligently to create a future that we can be proud of. It's time for me to sign off. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.